Hey everyone! Welcome back to Wealthy Web, your go-to channel for mastering online success. If you're new here, we share the best tips and tools to help you grow your online presence. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's dive into today's topic. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to create amazing social media videos. We'll start by generating ideas using DeepSeek, and then turn those ideas into stunning videos. Let's get started. First, open DeepSeek. I'll use a prompt like this. Generate 5 creative video ideas for a TikTok or Instagram video about making money online. Make the ideas short, engaging, and suitable for a young audience. Here's what DeepSeek might suggest. These ideas are perfect for short, engaging videos. Now let's turn one of these ideas into a video. Next, open Veed.io, its free AI tool. Copy one of the ideas generated by DeepSeek and paste it into Veed.io. For example, let's use the first idea. Now, follow these steps. Choose the video format. Decide if you want your video to be vertical, perfect for TikTok and Instagram stories, or horizontal, great for YouTube and Facebook. Most tools let you switch between formats with just one click. Select a presenter. Some tools allow you to choose a virtual presenter or avatar to deliver your script. This is a great way to make your video more engaging without being on camera yourself. Edit titles and captions. Make sure your titles are clear and eye-catching. You can also add subtitles to make your video accessible to a wider audience. In just a few minutes, you'll have a professional-looking video ready to share on TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform. That's it. With the help of AI, you can create high-quality content in no time. Whether you're making vertical videos for TikTok or horizontal videos for YouTube, these tools make it easy to customize your content and make it stand out. Try it out for yourself and see how easy it is to turn your ideas into reality. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.